My name is Jocelyn. Welcome back to my channel. It is too early for this, not even 10 a.m. yet. So, as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 unboxing, setup, and customization. So, I've been waiting so long to make this video. This has been sitting in my house, not even touched, for a couple days now. So I'm like, you know, itching to unbox it and start editing on it. Just a little disclaimer. My parents did buy this for me. However, I am responsible for any breakages or damages and I have to pay those. And I also paid like the 3-year coverage plan. It was like $300 or something like that. So I am super thankful for this. It was part of my birthday gift, as well as I bought myself an Apple Watch. It's a Series 5. I'm not gonna open it yet because I did buy it for myself for my birthday, so I'm gonna have to wait a couple more weeks. But if you wanna see an unboxing for the Apple Watch, make sure you subscribe because I will be posting one. Okay, so, I'm not a coffee drinker, if you didn't know that, so you know what? Tea in the morning, perfect. Right now, I have the 2016 MacBook Pro. Doesn't have the touch bar. It works fine. However, my college classes are all online now, and I also edit on my computer, so storage was a little bit tight, and I didn't want to run into any issues during the school year with all the programs that I'll be running. Like I have to download Microsoft Word, Office. I have to download a bunch of stuff, and I also edit, so sometimes I have storage issues. So that's why I got a new one. If you want to know the statistics, basically this is a MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020. It has 16 gigabytes of memory and then 512 gigabytes of storage. I got it in space gray, and that's pretty much all it tells me. Okay, I'm too excited. Alrighty, so I guess we unbox this now. Now for the satisfying part. So satisfying. That's my favorite part. I've been watching so many of these videos on YouTube, and I'm sure you have too. I gotta be careful. This is my new baby now. Woo! Okay. Okay. Y'all hear that? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Nobody ever talks about how good new computers smell. Okay, so here's my computer. We're gonna put that to the side. You know how unboxing goes. You gotta do what's in the box first. So it comes with a charger, which is, you know, muy bien, because I don't know why it's good. My other one works perfectly fine. But a new charger, yay, okay. It's the same type of charger as my other computer, so. And then instruction manual. And Apple stickers, those are fun. And then that's pretty much it for the box. Okie dokie, so. Oh, it's already turning on. Sis, I haven't even. I don't even know what to touch. I'm so excited. Why, she's booting up. She's already booted up. But I was gonna show you guys the difference between my 2016 MacBook and then this MacBook, just so y'all, you know, get.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Hang on. So this is the new one, and this is the old one. There's no touch bar on this one. I think everything is pretty much the same. Okie dokie, we are going to set her up. Alrighty, choose a language. Choose my Wi-Fi. These keys are like noisy, but I like it because my other ones, they would stick and they weren't like as popped out. Don't transfer my information now. I don't know about y'all, but if I get a new computer or a new phone, I don't want nothing from my old, to be honest. So, you know, if it's a new product, you want, you know, the full amount of space. I don't know. These keys are so much better. My caps lock and my shift button were always messed up on my old MacBook. Well, not always messed up. They became messed up, you know. We are setting up my iCloud account, so we are just waiting for that. Yeah, touchpad is still the same. I heard a lot of people who have the older, either MacBook Pros or the Airs, they think the touchpad is super different, but I mean, this is like the same as mine. Keep saying it's setting up my iCloud account, but it's been a couple minutes, so we're gonna wait. It finally finished doing whatever it was doing. So now, iCloud chain. This is the boring part. I want to get to the, Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Siri's ready, yes. Touch ID, y'all better take a look at this. I think this is so cool. Well, first of all, it's telling me where to put my finger. Lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. This is so sick. It's ready. I think I'm gonna do dark mode, just because space gray, you know, it's super chill. Now, ladies and gents, it is time. Why did my stuff transfer? Did I accidentally? My folder transferred, so I might have like accidentally clicked transfer. Anywho, that was never there. Now, time for the fun part, which is customization. Hi, it's currently 8:55 in the morning, but I was editing last night and my computer was being really slow on Final Cut. So, here's the thing. If you're gonna get this computer for editing, I highly recommend you do your research before you get this computer, because overall, my computer, this new one, is faster than my old one. If you click like a Safari or like, you know, if you click like the settings button, the new one pops up faster, obviously. But my new computer is 2.0. Wait, let me see something. Okay, I have it pulled up here. My new computer processor speed is 2 gigahertz and my old one was 2.3, and that makes the biggest difference in my entire life. This computer renders every 30 seconds while editing, and every time I click something, it takes forever. So if you're gonna get this computer for editing, highly recommend you try to get one with a faster processor speed, because I'm literally losing my mind while editing. So an update, I'm keeping both computers. My new one's gonna be for school, and then my old one I'll just edit on. So I mean, overall, it kind of works out. And I didn't waste any money, but yeah, just pop it in here to say that. Also, sorry I'm so loud and obnoxious in this video. I promise I'm not like that. So I got all these tips from Julia K. Christ. She is a YouTuber here, and she does a bunch of MacBook Pro videos. She did a customization video that kind of blew up. So that's where I got these tips from. Creds to her. I'll have her channel or video to the MacBook customization thing down below. I also will have her website link down below, because some of the things I will be doing on my computer are straight from her website. Go check her out. 10 out of 10, recommend if you have a computer and you want to customize it. Alrighty, so let me put my screen recording on. Okay, so the first thing on my list, we are gonna be downloading Final Cut Pro, because it takes a long time to download, let's just say that. Okay, hopefully my account is connected. Yeah, cool beans. Final Cut Pro last time took like 3 hours to download, 4 hours to download, so. You know what, we're doing her first. So we are gonna be customizing our own wallpaper. A lot of people like to take pictures off of Pinterest, but you probably didn't know this, but that's actually illegal. Kinda illegal. Illegal if you get caught. So I'm gonna go to unsplash.com, and this way these pictures are pictures that are taken by photographers, but they give you the rights to use them. We're going to go to, we're gonna type in aesthetic, wallpaper, and I'm gonna try to find a theme that I really like. Okay, so I think I have enough pictures. They don't really match each other, but you know what? I'm trying my best here. So we're going to create a collage. Okay, we are going to download or drop in all of these. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I think I like that one. It is good enough for now. Set a still picture. Voila, so pretty. Okay, cool. Next, we're gonna create folders. I'm gonna create a YouTube folder, and then I'm also gonna create a random folder because I use that one quite often. Next thing we're gonna do is go to Julia's website because I'm going to create, or not create, I'm gonna take some of the folder things that she made. We're going to use them. If you want a detailed video, make sure you go watch hers because I am not that great at instructions. I'm just gonna do the black one. I think that's cute. Save image to download. Get info and Command V. There you go. There you have it, folks. So, as you can see, they come up in this cute little succulent kind of icon, and I'll just put that in random. Okay, cool. So next thing we're gonna do is kind of clear off this. We're going to go to settings. I'm going to adjust how my dock is going to lay out. I'm gonna take off things I don't typically use. From dock, don't know what that's doing. Next thing on my list, we're gonna do the analog clock. So we're gonna go to analog clock. I'm not really sure what it's called. So you go to this website right here. We're gonna make sure it is a free version for Mac. Allow, it's gonna download. There you go. Cute. The next thing we have is doing the touch bar. So we're gonna customize our touch bar, which is fun. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what it is looking like while I customize it. Okay, so we're gonna customize it. I have my screen record on right now, so that's what that button is. So I like the brightness. That's dope. And launch pad, keyboard brightness. What is that? I don't want that. If I need more, then I'll customize it. But yeah, so that's kind of what we're doing with that. Okay, my camera's actually overheating. This video is gonna be like 50 minutes long. For something different, not on my computer, kinda, not on my computer. We're gonna look at a case that I ordered from Amazon. So I was going to open it on camera, but you know, self-control, didn't have it. I ordered this case off of Amazon, and I'll tell you exactly what I ordered. So this is a laptop case by the brand KECC. It is this dark marbled one, and it's meant for MacBook Pro 13-inch, but it said 2019, 2018. Hopefully it'll fit. The case that I have on my old computer, I also got from Amazon, and it is just this kind of tribal, I don't know, it's the print that you see on tapestries, so yeah, I decided to get a marble one, and it came with the keyboard cover. I believe this one did. Here's the keyboard cover. It sticks to your keys so you don't get them all crusty and gross. See, I just put it on, and you can't even tell that it's there, but guess what? Okay, how do I get it off? It is there, and now your keys won't get dirty. Innovation that excites. Okay, cool. I got it, and it's super freaking cute. It has the Apple logo on it so you can see it, and then we gotta put this thing on the bottom. So I'll figure out how to put this bottom on. It's not really snapping on. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure I did everything in the books to customize computer. Well, I'm pretty sure I did everything in the books to customize my computer. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Don't forget, I know I did a lot of rambling in this video, don't forget I am doing an unboxing of my Apple Watch Space Gray Series 5. So, I will see you guys next week.